Indoor and outdoor lock. Padlock with key is best used for residential gates, fences, sheds, workshops, garages, toolboxes and more. Key lock features a laminated steel body and a hardened steel shackle for strength and security. Commercial-grade padlock features superior protection from drilling and prying. 1-3/4 in, 44 mm, wide lock body. 5/16 in, 8 mm, diameter shackle with 2-1/2 in, 64 mm, length. 3/4 in, 19 mm, width. Extended shackle for application flexibility. Includes one padlock with 2 keys. Hardened steel shackle for extra cut resistance. 4-pin cylinder helps prevent picking. Master lock 1 DLJ 1-3/4 wide laminated lock W, 2-1/2 shackle. Top reviews from the United States. It's a master lock. As described. I bought for my shed but didn't calculate correctly. It is a smidge big, I'll find something to use it on.